You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in English correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned, including from beer. That has different meanings, but is pronounced in English hop. The English pronunciation. This is a verb meaning to sort of jump over something. Hop, hop. This is also a component of beer, a plant name pronounced as hop, hop. Don't forget to pronounce the H, not hope. Hop. English pronunciation, how to pronounce hop. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.